Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how we type Urdu in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint etc. You believe or not, but using this trick you can feel much better and comfortable working environment compared to any other softwares like inpage, Urdu typing etc. Let's get started. Open font link from description and download Jamil Nouri Nastali. Open keyboard link from description and download Urdu phonetic keyboard layout. Now, extract both downloaded files. Open Jamil Nouri Mastalik folder and copy both files. Now open Control Panel, select Category to Small Icon, and search Font. After opening Font folder, paste files here. Open Urdu phonetic keyboard and run the setup. Here you see Urdu phonetic keyboard successfully installed. Let's test it. Open MS Word. Here you see our current typing in English language. Now, see how we type Urdu in MS Word. Go to the bottom right of screen and click on ANG and select Urdu Pakistan. Here, you see, now, MS Word is typing in Urdu. वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।